Guys, hello everyone! We have another new video and 2 reasons for you to finish it. First, this is a very cool raffle. Guys, the channel is new, not so many viewers yet, which of course is disappointing, but from prices you have an opportunity here to win as much as 100 USDT. For this you need to write what will be the Bitcoin price at 9 AM Monday morning and the closest results to win. So act. Go to the comments and write your opinion. And the second reason to watch this video till the end, there is a lot of new cool Bitcoin news. Let's finally understand what we have going on here and break down all possible scenarios. So here we go. Bitcoin, what we have now. Globally, we are still in our corridor. That is, nothing criminal happened, and I will tell you more. We are now in another micro ball and our global sidewall. That is, here it is, resistance support level. And now we have price going back and forth, that is, we clearly bounce. I don't think that we will work in this super sidewall for a long time, but some structure we need to build in it to break through up or down. Guys, purely my opinion, I myself thought that all the same breakthrough will be up. This is the opinion of large market makers. This is the opinion of 2 largest exchanges that their opinion has almost always worked our 100%. Their scenarios. I've laid out as much details as possible in the last video, guys. So if you haven't watched, to be sure to check out the big market maker scenario or what Bitcoin will look like in the near future. In this sideways movement, but it will still talk about a break up, the structure will be tight in any case. So something like this. And most likely we will go up almost flat without impulses at around $36,000. We're going to line up sideways here. We are going to have a micro alt season right here. The guys, alt season is needed now anyway, more than ever before, because it is necessary to give the market makers an euphoria on the market. To give this very Thomas effect, for that we have to accelerate the altcoins. The altcoins haven't bounced yet, they have been growing. It won't be a full-fledged alt season like we are used to, but there will be a good growth of 100% by 200% on average for good assets. And what exactly are the assets you can see in the last video about altcoins, where I wrote down verbatim the assets that are really possible to gain, and I will tell you about one more today. I will mention it again more accurately. Or of course another negative scenario is also possible. That is also a downward pressure, the fall to the 0.6100 levels, right to $24,000, and there this is at least a retest. Let me show you the 0.6100 Fibonacci retest anyway. We stretch the grid, we look at the 0.6100 levels, approximately $24,000. After the retest, we may go down to $20,000. Either it will be sideways there, here, or here, and there we also have an alt season and micro alt season. So right now, in my opinion, the most logical and most profitable decision is to pour your money into altcoins. I was talking about that when Bitcoin was at $30,000, so now you have to pour in altcoins. This is now it is going also. If you look at this S&P chart, I told you in the previous video that form a structure as a rectangle to break through almost by the next book. I said that similar movement, it is possible. The main thing is not to go out of range. But we have already started to break through it by this good strong move up. So S&P is growing, but Bitcoin is falling. We have both speaking today, but there is no strong news to dump the market. So what we see now is a logical decrease. It is just a manipulation and speculation of the Bitcoin market, and I think that soon we will see a very good positive trend. But you have to consider both negative and positive scenarios at all times to be prepared for any outcome. If of course S&P goes up, we will see Bitcoin go up as well. Of course, S&P will not be without a retest, and generally think we will go even lower after that. At S&P 500, around their $3,500, $4,000 at least. That's my opinion about S&P and Bitcoin in particular. The decision in any case is up to you, but I consider the same positive scenarios locally. Globally, of course, we will go lower for Bitcoin after this growth in this area of $37,000, $36,000 conditionally. Yes, of course, we will go lower after sag along sideways. So guys, the COE coin. I've already told you about it many times. We also had a lever here. I told you in the last video you can directly see that we have forming here head shoulders. In fact, it has formed. I told you guys that you can go long, you can go straight ahead, and now we will see the reaction on this level. I approximately, let's even calculate 5%, maybe even the margin with a small leverage. 5 to 15% from this movement may be taken right away. That is, friends, I'm sure and I know that the asset is very strong. Maybe we will even come to this level. That is, we will go back. In fact, we will have a true head and shoulders, and we will have a break up. I'm sure that we will see $2 and $1.50 for the asset. The market is not very profitable. It will be very enjoyable for me, and it will be very useful for you. Well, friends, basically all. Express review we had. Meet you in the next video. I remind you that I record videos every day. It is very cool. See you soon. Thank you guys.